So whenever I start an Imago session with a couple, they often ask me, why do you do a centering? Or why do we need to do a centering? And part of why I believe a centering should be done is, first of all, to calm oneself, to set up an openness about being willing to listen to your partner and to hold on to the stuff that's yours and be filled with, how we say, curiosity and wonder. And I have a therapy dog in this practice who is adorable. And I now have been using the metaphor of trying to see the world through a puppy's eyes. So a puppy is filled with curiosity and wonder at what their master's about to do. And Casey is always looking at me like, wow, what's she going to do next? It's sort of in doing the centering exercise and then bringing people into having an intentional dialogue, taking that puppy kind of attitude and saying, I'm going to be curious about what you're saying, as opposed to getting defensive and angry and annoyed. And I'm going to be filled with wonder because you're important to me, and I want to know what you have to bring into this relationship to help me also become a better person.